we have subtraction of algebraic fractions. How we do this? The same like subtraction of fractions. We need to have the same denominator. That first, because we have here 60 square, negative 60 square, negative t, positive 29t, and constant. So first I will organize our second denominator. So we'll copy first 7 minus 3t over 6t squared plus 29t plus 35, and we have minus 3t plus 7 over, next, first I will put negative 6t squared, negative t, and positive 35 we have. Next, the best way to find the least common denominator is first to try to factorize our denominators. We have general quadratic trinomial, so we will try to factorize by using grouping method. So let me copy first denominators. We have 6t squared plus 29t plus 35. Coefficient before t is different than 1, so we have to multiply 6 times 35. This is equal to 10. So I need to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 210. And when I add these two numbers, I need to have coefficient before t is 29. So it will be 14 and 15, of course. 14 times 15 is 210, and when I add, it will be 29. So now I copy first expression 6t squared, and 29t I can rewrite by using these two numbers. So it will be plus 14t plus 15t plus 35. So now from the first two expressions I can factorize 2t. So in parentheses I will have 3t plus 7, and from the last two expressions I can factorize plus, of course, 5, so it will be 3t plus 7. Now we see that we have the same in the parentheses, so we can factorize this, and in the second parenthesis we will have whatever left, so 2t plus 5. So we factorize our first denominator. The same we will do with the second. So let me copy negative 6t squared minus t plus 35. First, because coefficient before t squared is negative 6, so I have to multiply negative 6 times constant 35. So this is equal negative 210. Now I need to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have negative 210. And when I add these two numbers, I will have coefficient before t is negative 1. So this is 14 and negative 15. When I add these two numbers, I will have negative 1. So now, first term I have to rewrite negative 6t squared, and negative t I will rewrite by using these two numbers. So it will be plus 14t minus 15t. This is negative t, what I have at the beginning, and I have to add 35. Now I can factorize from the first two expressions negative 2t. So it will be 3t minus 7, and from the last two I will factorize negative 5. So it will be 3t minus 7. Now in parentheses we have the same term, so will be 3t minus 7 we can factorize, and in parentheses whatever left will be negative 2t minus 5. So now we can rewrite our two algebraic fractions. And of course I made mistake because we have here 3t plus 7, 3t plus 7, so I have to put here plus sign. So now this is equal. Numerator we have to copy 7 minus 3t, and denominator we will rewrite that this is 3t plus 7 times 2t plus 5. This is our denominator. And we have minus. Numerator we have to copy 3t plus 7, and our denominator now is that. So this is 3t minus 7 times negative 2t minus 5. So first, what we can do here, we have 2t plus 5, and we have here negative 2t and negative 5. So we can factorize negative 1, and we'll have the same terms in parentheses. So let me copy first fraction. And now you'll have numerator 3t plus 7. First we copy 3t minus 7, and negative sign I will factorize, so it will be 2t plus 5 in parentheses now. So we will have 7 minus 3t over 3t plus 7 times 2t plus 5, and now what will be negative and negative. We have negative and negative give me positive, so it will be plus. Numerator we will copy over 3t minus 7 times 2t plus 5. So what will be the common denominator? We have to copy 3t plus 7. Next we have 2t plus 5, and next we have to check the second denominator. We don't have 3t minus 7, so we have to put times 3t minus 7, and 2t plus 5 we already have, so we don't have to put. So now let's check our first algebraic fraction. We have 3t plus 7, 3t plus 7, 2t plus 5, and we add that we have to multiply this denominator by 3t minus 7. So if I multiply denominator by 3t minus 7, I have to do the same with the numerator. So that will be times 3t minus 7. And now the second denominator, what will be? I have to have the same denominator, so I need to put 3t plus 7, 2t plus 5, and 3t minus 7. And we see that in the second denominator we have 3t minus 7, yes, 2t plus 5, yes, but we don't have 3t plus 7, so we need to multiply this denominator by 3t plus 7. If I multiply the denominator, I have to multiply numerator by the same, 3t plus 7. So now we have denominators, and we have to do multiplications in the numerators. So we will have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So it will be 21t, 7 times negative 7 will be minus 49, minus 9t squared, plus negative 3 times negative 7 will be plus 21t. So the second numerator will be 3 times 3 is 9t squared, 3t times 7, so will be plus 21t, and plus 21t we have, and plus 49. So now when we have the same denominator, we can copy the denominator we have 3t plus 7 times 2t plus 5 times 3t minus 7, and we have to add the numerators. And we have to combine the like terms, so it will be 21t and 21t, so it will be 42t minus 49 minus 9t squared, and we have plus 9t squared plus, we have to combine, so it will be 42t, and we have plus 49. So now we see that we can reduce 49 and 49 because we have negative 49, positive 49, negative 9t squared, positive t squared. So we have 42t plus 42 is 84t over 3t plus 7 times 2t plus 5 times 3t minus 7. We cannot factorize anything, so this is my solution.